Good day, everyone. This is Jeff. Today I am on location. Behind me is the Atlantic Ocean. And I am doing this video today because if you watched the Show Me the Money Club a few days ago, you saw the CEO of Crew, which is the trash can removal company. You either take the cans from the house to the street, or when they're empty, you take them from the street back to the home. So I did a couple of jobs the other day and I wanted a video one, and I figured what better way to do it than do it live. So it's about 85 degrees. As you can see, it's pretty beautiful here. And I'm going to spin around and show you the house that I'm taking the trash cans out to the curb. So it is right on the beach. And I am in Palm Coast, Florida. It's 85 degrees. Don't be jealous for those of you in the rest of the country. So I'm going to start walking off the beach. Hopefully I don't fall. And this is take them from the side of the house to the street. And from what I see, it's about 7 feet. Now there are 5 cans, but only 2 of them appear to have trash in them. So I'm only going to take 2 cans, or maybe I'll pull them all. Not really a difficult job, but let's give it a try. So this is 2 stops, $14, and they're 8 miles apart. I'm only going to show you the first one. So now I am standing in front of the house, and the house is behind me. And you can see the trash cans behind me and 1 recycle bin. And I'm just going to move them about 5 feet to the street behind the fence. The rest of the way, I will take you with some screenshots showing you the pictures I take and how simple this job is. Although I imagine if it was raining, it wouldn't be that much fun. Anyway, I'm up for anything. Thank you, Chris and Sergio, for turning me on to this. And you know the old saying, one man's trash is another man's treasure. Stay tuned. Okay, everybody. So that was one of my early experiences with Crew. If you watched the SMTMC last Tuesday, you saw the CEO of the company, and I figured I'd give it a try. So that's basically what the trips entail. There's 2 actions. You can either take full trash cans to the curb or take empty trash cans back to the side of the house. That's it. I'm going to show you the 2 stops I did on this trip. These are screenshots from the app. So the action on the first one was to take the trash and recycling out from the side of the house. It gives you the instructions you need. If there's a security gate, it'll tell you what to say to the guard to get you in. When you put the cans out to the curb, they ask for 2 to 3 feet of separation so the claws can lift them up. And you submit a photo and you try to get the house in the background. And the beauty is you could take additional photos. This was the second stop, sort of the same thing. There were 2 cans, 2 feet apart, and it's just that simple. And here's the bird's eye view. Now, initially you would say, wow, you drove a long way for $14. But to me, this is one of the things I do like early on about Crew, is you can fit it into other gig work that you do. So if you look where it says Palm Coast, I had a huge Spark order taking me to Palm Coast, and this job was still available on Sunday when I did it. So I grabbed it, I finished my Spark, I knocked those 2 things out, and then I headed back towards my home with my Lyft app on and my Spark app on. So it's good supplementary income. I did not track miles for this trip because, again, it would be rather difficult because I am doing other things. As I am recording this video, I am sitting outside of a doctor's office waiting for a patient to come out so I can take them back home. So there's always multitasking going on, always diversity. But back to Crew. So that is how simple these jobs are. And this is their payment screen. So they do pay every Friday. I did get a text Saturday morning that an ACH was started. And as I'm recording this video Monday morning, that $14 has already hit my account. So that's a good first sign. You could see I have already done 3 jobs. The other 2 add up to $52.50, and those will be paid this Friday. You see a customer referral commissions link and a crew referral commissions link. Every one of these people you refer, either to work for the company or to become a customer, you get 5% of whatever they do for the first 90 days. I think that's pretty generous. So now I want to take you through the app real quick to give you an idea of what it looks like. So if you go to the My Job screen, load next day with jobs, I actually took this job coming up on the 12th for $38. It's 24 stops, and I know it's in Fort Lauderdale, but my main residence is in Fort Lauderdale, and I will be going back to my main residence for a couple of weeks. So I planned a job there. All I had to do was change my address on the app to my address down in Hollywood, Florida, and I was able to view all the jobs down there. And then if you take 2 fingers and you spread the app out, you can see how close all of these are. Again, I'm trying new things. This is the job I took, and really, that's how simple it is. If you go to the My Job screen, these are showing jobs in the Daytona area upcoming. So March 9th, which is today, there are 7 jobs available. If you hit that, there's the offers, and it tells you it's 1 hour, 29 miles, 5 jobs, hourly rate, and what you're gonna earn. And then if you scroll down, there's a second offer for 2 jobs, $10 an hour, $14. And then you can go to the other days coming up and try to plan your week. So it's really that simple. Initially, I don't think it's something you could do full time. You would be very susceptible to weather as well. I happen to live in the Sunshine State. Again, this is a good supplemental income, and that's what I'm all about. Diversity, having fun, most importantly, making profit, and sharing my experiences with you guys. Now, I have not been onboarded yet for 5 days, and here is the major red flag. I am going to show you a text chain. So you can see here, they'll send you out jobs. They'll give you alerts with links. So like on Friday, there was 4 job order for $60, and you can click the link and you can grab it. I was doing something, so I didn't. And then it tells you, it keeps you alerted. Now remember, they're very small. I'm sure I'm one of the few drivers up here. But look at yesterday at 2 o'clock. This is what I wanted to talk about. Last call. If we do not receive a response within the next 30 minutes, we reassign all jobs for today and freeze your account and prevent you from doing jobs with crew again. Sound familiar? The threat. It's always the threat. Now, how can you get a last call if you didn't get a first call? I never received a text asking me for anything. So my response was, what is the purpose of this text? I do not respond well to threats. And then I called support, and to their credit, they answered on a Sunday. And then I was told that even though you have a very large window to complete the job, by 2 p.m., they like to know what time you're planning on starting the route. Now, that's nowhere in a text. And I did tell her, I said, look, people don't respond well to threats, and it's really not a good practice. So then she sent back, apology and stuff like that. So that's where we stand. At some point, when I have a few days to kill, I will do a tracking of mileage and to see just how profitable it is per mile. Anyway, if you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments. I like to respond, especially to negative ones. I will also say that when I first saw the piece on the Show Me the Money Club, I couldn't help but laugh. And I told Sergio this story the other day, and I think we both got a chuckle. So I retired 8 years ago at 53 from a 6-figure job where I was very well respected and did for a very long time. And to this day, my father still gives me shit about giving up a 6-figure job to do gig work. I could only imagine the look on his face when I tell him that I just took another gig, taking people's trash cans from the side of their house, putting them to the curb, and then taking empty trash cans back and putting them back on the side of their house. I will say one thing, and this might strike a chord with a lot of people who do it for the reasons that I do. I'm tired of working for somebody else. I'll do 11, 12, 15, 30 gig apps to be my own boss make my own schedule, and not have stress, and live the rest of my life with my family and my grandson, and work when I want, if I want, how I want, and I will take less money to do it. Hopefully that makes sense to some of you. As always, thank you so much for watching. I enjoy putting out these videos, intending to help people maximize their profits in a crazy world. Please like and subscribe to the Rideshare Guy channel. And don't forget what Chris and Sergio do for you guys every single week. They don't do it for the money. They do it because it's the right thing to do, and they have a passion for doing the right thing. Till next time.